Hello all. Today we will be discussing how to build a text to video generator using AI. There are many paid tools which allow this such as InVideo, Pictory, etc. But let's work on building a free self-hosted solution. So let's get started. So here are the steps to generate a video from text for a particular topic. So first we'll use OpenAI to generate a video script from a particular topic. Once we have the script, we'll use HTTS to pick a voice and create an audio based on the above generated script. You can use a premium solution like Leon Labs as well. So once you have the audio, you can use Whisper and get timed captions for the generated audio. So now what we'll do is we'll generate visual keywords for the video script using OpenAI API. So when we get into the code, it will be much more clear how this happens. So once we have these visual keywords, what we will do is we'll use Pexels API and fetch relevant videos which match with these keywords. So Pexels API is free to use, so you can just log into their dashboard and get the API key. So once we fetch all these content and keep them together, so what we'll do next is stitch together the videos, audio and captions and get the final video using MoviePay library. So let's see how this happens. So first we will install Python 3.11. So if you are using a lower version, you will not be able to run this code. So make sure you install Python 3.11 and also install pip, which is relevant to this Python 3.11. So we are doing that here. Once that is done, we will clone the text to video a GitHub repository. And once that is done, we'll go inside the folder and install all the requirements. So it would take some time and install all the requirements. It might ask you to restart your collab. So make sure to do that if you are getting that command. Once that is done, we will need to set up our OpenAI key and Pexels key. So OpenAI key, you know how to get it. If you want to know how to get Pexels key, just go to Pexels dashboard and just copy paste the key from there. And we'll be using ImageMagick for keeping the text on the video, the captions on the video. But there is some issue with using ImageMagick in Collab. So we need to change permissions for that. So this snippet is specifically for that. Once that is done, now we are ready to generate the video. So we are now at the final part, that is generating the video. So you need to enter your topic of your choice here. So the default topic that is mentioned here is beer, but just enter any topic and you'll be able to generate a video for that. And then if you click on enter after you input your topic, you will get the script that is generated here. And then based on that, the audio will be generated and you will get the captions. And then based on the captions, you will be able to like find the relevant videos, as you can see here. So a lot of pixel videos are being displayed here. And based on that, MoviePay will collect all this information and it will stitch together the final video. So it might take a little bit of time. Just wait until the entire rendering is done. And once that is done, what you need to do is just execute this code block. So what this does is it will display your video, final video here, as you can see.
The oldest known recipe for beer is over 4,000 years old and comes from ancient Mesopotamia. The Czech Republic consumes more beer per capita than any other country in the world. Beer was not considered an alcoholic beverage in Russia until 2011. The foam on beer, known as head, is scientifically essential for a beer's aroma and flavor. In the 13th century, some breweries employed beer tasters whose job it was to check for poison by drinking beer from a shoe. The most expensive beer in the world is Shipwreck 1907 Heidsieck, recovered from a 1907 shipwreck, and costs around $500,000 a bottle.
As you can see, it has generated a cool video based on the stock videos from Pexels and stitching them together based on all the logic that we have used before. So that's how it works. So I hope you like this video. If you found this content useful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I'll keep in links the description all the relevant links such as the collab link and similarly the GitHub repo link. Yeah, thank you.